Want to make viral videos but don't know where to start? Let me show you how ChatGPT can literally write your next viral video idea in seconds, even if you've never done this before.
Step 1. Open ChatGPT and simply tell it what kind of content you want. Boom! It'll instantly generate a creative concept you can use right away.
Now here's the magic trick. Refine the prompt. Add tone, emotion, camera angle, or scene mood.
Copy your ChatGPT prompt and paste it into your favorite AI video generator. Then just sit back. The AI will turn your words into a stunning short video in seconds.
Finally, polish your video clack. Add captions, trending audio, and hashtags back, then post it.
So next time, don't overthink your content. Just tell ChatGPT what you want to create, refine the prompt, and watch your idea go viral.
For more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more AI-powered video ideas.